This is the Amazon Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, designed for a high-quality, portable reading experience. I've been using this one for a little while now, and I've used many other e-readers as well. So, in this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about this device and how it compares. Inside the box, you'll find the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition, a USB-C charging cable, and a quick start guide. First, press and hold the power button on the bottom to turn it on. Then just connect to Wi-Fi by following the on-screen instructions and make sure it's updated, which it will prompt you to do. Using it is just as easy. Everything is at your fingertips and is really user-friendly. Swiping down from the top gives you the menu to adjust settings like the brightness and network. And with just a tap or swipe, you can turn pages and select books effortlessly. I really like the design of this device. At 7 inches tall, it's slightly larger than the Amazon Kindle, but smaller than the Kindle Scribe. With a 5-inch width and a slim profile of less than half an inch, it's comfortable to hold for extended reading sessions. Its compact size makes it ideal for travel, and its durable build ensures long-lasting use. Similar to other Amazon Kindles, this has a 300 ppi glare-free display with a 16-level grayscale. It also has an impressive 32 gigabytes of storage, and I have yet to run out of space for books or even come close. This is a big advantage compared to the 16 gigabytes of storage you get with the Kindle and the Kindle Paperwhite. Plus, this one is also IPX8, which takes out the worry of accidental splashes, spills, or even drops of water. I've found the battery life to be excellent on this device. On a single charge, it lasts up to 12 weeks, outperforming the Amazon Kindle and Colorsoft edition. In my opinion, this offers a more premium and ultimate reading experience compared to other Amazon Kindles. I personally really enjoy the immersive experience of using the Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition. From its high-resolution display to its long battery life, everything feels smooth and well-designed. I personally think it's an amazing choice for both casual and avid readers who want a convenient, hassle-free way to enhance their reading experience and carry their entire library wherever they go.